Hey guys, how's it going? This is Long Nguyen, and today I want to share with you my personal experience and thoughts on the three topre keyboards that I have. So the first one being the FC660C. This is a 65% layout, 45 gram standard non-silence version. Yeah. Second is the 980C. This is my newest keyboard. It is 45 gram non-silence as well. I just love the layout of this. This is just amazing. It's just a tiny bit longer than our TKL version, but it comes with a full size. So this is really impressive. I just love this layout. Yeah. Now, the last one, which is also my favorite. It has been my daily driver for the last 2-3 months now. This is a Realforce R2 Limited edition PFU. This is a 45 gram silence from the factory, and typing on this is just so amazing. Yeah, the really good thing about this keyboard as well is it has the customization of the actuation, right? So you can adjust it to 4 millimeters for typing or 1.5 millimeters actuation for gaming, and this is amazing, right? If you need a keyboard that can do both work and games, I would highly recommend to go with the Realforce R2 PFU, right? So it's either getting a full size or TKL. It's completely up to you, but for me, I just love my numpad, so cannot live without it. Okay, right, now next up I will do a quick typing test for you guys to hear and compare, and then after that I will share my thoughts with you on what I would pick and my recommendation for you as well. Okay, all right. Okay, first off, we have our Realforce R2 PFU Limited Edition 45 gram silence. Okay, and this is what it sounds like when typing. All right, there you have it, guys. Now, my personal experience, I just love typing on this keyboard. Yeah, like I've mentioned earlier, the really good thing about this is the customization for actuation point. So when you want typing, you want a deep actuation point, so 4 millimeters versus 1.5 for gaming. Yeah, so it's just, you can adjust this very easy, right? It's a full-size keyboard, super silent, and it feels amazing, especially when you press the key down. It just feels so soft, and you know, when you relieve your finger, it will pushes your finger up, so it's very nice and easy to type on, and it doesn't make you feel tired at all. Okay, all right, next up we have our Leopold FC980C. Yeah, I just love the format of this, and here's the quick sound test. All right. In terms of the typing experience, it is noticeably louder than our Realforce R2. And when you bottom out the key, it feels like you're bottoming it out against something quite solid. Yeah, it doesn't have the mushy feeling of the R2, right? But with that said, the sounds is quite good. You get this unique talk 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 talk, right? I just love it, and the layout is amazing. This is also ideal for, like, I sometimes do use gaming on this as well, and for office use, of course. All right. Lastly, we have our FC660C, and here is a quick sound test for you guys. Right, there you have it. Now, just something to note as well. This keyboard comes with a custom braided cable. Yeah, it's quite easy to plug in and out, right? As you can see. Let me show you something on the FC980C. If you're thinking about getting a custom cable made, just beware that the groove here is a little bit small, so stock cable is much thinner than a custom made one, so it might not be ideal to go for a custom braided cable. Okay, all right, time for the final thoughts. So out of these three keyboards, which one do I like the most and which one would I recommend? Okay, so firstly, if you are looking for something portable, right, with great typing and gaming experience, the FC660C could be a good consideration. Note that it doesn't come with the notepad, the keypad. So if it's important for you, then this might not be ideal, right? Just something to note as well. The surface on this keyboard here is quite smooth. It's not as well textured as our FC980C. Yeah, so personally I do prefer my keyboard with numpads, so this one does not fit the bill for me. Okay, next we have the FC980C. This keyboard is amazing in terms of the layout. I just love how compact it is, a full-size keyboard basically, right? And you're having a full-size keyboard as pretty much the same size as a TKL keyboard. Yeah, so very practical. You can use both for gaming and work. So if I have a choice, this could be very, highly considered for a daily driver. Okay, I wish it has additional functionality like the actuation point, customization. But yeah, again, this keyboard is a few years old now, so you can't expect it to have everything. Okay, move on to the final keyboard, the Realforce R2 Limited Edition, 45 grams silence. For me, this is it has been my daily driver for the last 3-4 months now, and I just love it, right? So I do work by day and game by night, right? So this gives me the flexibility to adjust the actuation point, right? And typing on this feels amazing. Yeah, all the keys are very soft, especially when you bottom out. Yeah, as you can hear. So as you can imagine, this keyboard has already been silenced from the factory. Yeah, I love all my keyboards being stock, so I'm not gonna modify it or anything, but I'm sure you can get similar experience on the Leopold keyboards if you do choose to customize it. But for me, as a daily driver, something that you can rely on for both gaming and work, this is something that I would highly recommend. Yeah, so again, this is the Realforce R2 Limited Edition PFU. Okay, now if you have any questions about anything, feel free to write your comments and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. All right, thank you guys. We'll speak to you soon. Bye now.